Good day, everyone. This is actually my first YouTube video from GoodBadUglyBaggers. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to dismount this front fairing on this 2017 Harley Road Glide. This isn't a special, just a Road Glide. Initially, when I first got this bike, it was basic rims, forks, nothing special about it. But we're actually going to take this bike and do a custom rebuild. And you can follow me on GoodBadUglyBaggers Instagram page, because upon completion of this bike, we're going to do a raffle. And all proceeds are going to go to a nonprofit organization. So I look on YouTube and I see you actually have a lot of videos talking about how to install the triple tree. But they're not, I haven't found not one that mentions how to dismount this front fairing to be able to install the triple tree. A lot of videos, I see very good videos. I see actually talking about what you need to do to install the triple tree when the bike is already broken down with the front fairing off. So in my video, I'm gonna actually be discussing what needs to be done on this Road Glide to get to the raw neck of the bike to install the triple tree. Now, this bike has an aftermarket factory radio. We had wires. So I'm doing like I say, once again, I'm doing a custom rebuild on this bike. All these parts are gonna be powder coated, the fork cans, the forks. We're gonna do a wrap on the fairings and all the parts you see blue. We got the CVO bags. We're gonna go with the CVO fender. The rear wheel is actually gonna be, this rear wheel is actually gonna be powder coated. So we got a lot of parts. But we actually went with the American suspension bolt-on triple tree 426. And ordered this rim off SMT. We went with the 26-inch Aurora. We're gonna send all this stuff off of powder coating. So to get to this point, what we did is we went ahead and just took off the handlebars completely. We disconnected all of everything in the front of the dash. We took off the front fairing, disconnect all of the wires that's actually running out of that's running from the neck of the actual frame, the throat of the frame, into the fairing. To get to this point, you're gonna have to unbolt these 4 bolts, and then it looks like we have another bracket we're gonna have to take care of, but I'll definitely let you know the sizes and everything that's needed to do the dismount of the front fairing. You guys can follow me over GoodBadUglyBaggers. And like I said, upon completion of this bike, we're gonna raffle it off, and our proceeds are gonna go to a nonprofit organization. So stay tuned. I'm gonna post more.
So in the front of this fairing, you got 4 half-inch bolts. You just loosen those 4 half-inch bolts, wiggle this front fairing around, and it'll break free. All right, that's good.
All right, we done got to this point of the neck on the Road Glide. As you can see, this mechanism here on the neck, we got to unbolt those. That is a T20 to unbolt those. All right. Take off this braking mechanism. Once we get to this point, this is the handlebars. This is really how the handlebars sit. So this part sits like this. If you loosen up this top bolt, it'll slip right out. And also you have this wire This wire actually runs right here. So that wire plugs in right there. You unplug that wire from the handlebar unit. All right, you got this bolt. This bolt here. Let's see which one that was. It's not the right one. So we got here. So this bolt here is a 5/16 Allen head. So I know I'm kind of jumping all over the place, but once you take that front fairing off and you pull back in the wires, you're gonna be at a point like this. You're gonna be at a point like this. You loosen this bolt, 5/16 Allen. That's the T20 for the braking connector mechanism. Unplug that wire. Take that off. And you got the big heavy duty 1/2 inch. Easy. Place that on. It breaks right off. So yeah, once you use this 1.5 inch wrench, just do an easy turn, comes loose. Once you loosen it up, one hand on the top, one hand on the bottom. It breaks free, just like that. That's it.